Hey, good Tuesday morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with your MLive morning weather update. As always, if you have any questions, you have a weather event, or you have an event coming up and you're concerned about the weather, ask the questions. I'll try to answer those for you, go over everything with you. And as always, please hit the share button so your fellow friends and family know that we give you the morning update, and interactive too. Hopefully you understand that and appreciate that we try to answer your questions. Let's get to it. And my little blurb there said, don't be surprised at showers this morning. I'm surprised some of the weather service forecasts, I'm not bashing them, they do a great job, but right now a lot of it on the east side of the state says partly sunny for today. And look what's heading our way. Now, these showers will be shrinking some as we go through the late morning and early afternoon. That's a very common thing to happen in the summer. The sun comes up and it hits the cloud tops and it evaporates the clouds. So usually the showers shrink by about 50%. Can we expect a decent amount of rainfall in Grand Rapids with this next system? No, I would not call this one decent. I would call this, couple of tenths of an inch probably, but I do see a decent rain on the horizon. Hey, good morning, John Heiner. So there you see it right now. Showers are developing and they're off to the west. I want to show you that a lot of cloudiness off to the west too. So we'll see more clouds than sun today. Hey, you can pick out a weakening feature on the rainfall. See the kind of clockwise rotation of this? That's a rotation that kills showers. So again, showers are to the west, moving toward us. They should be weakening, still enough to maybe make the sidewalk damp in places for a couple of hours late morning into early afternoon. We take a look at our radar forecast of those showers and show you how it goes. We're at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, noon. Bear in mind, the light green a lot of times is not reaching the ground. And this is a radar forecast for what it should look like, the radar should look like at noon. Showers in the southern part of the state. So if you have something planned outside and you didn't think it was going to rain, I would plan on a shower or two. Now we're into early afternoon. How about rain for northern Michigan? Northern Michigan's going to stay out of it this time, it looks like, as this shower pattern will probably be a Bay City, Clare, Mount Pleasant, Ludington, southward type thing. Should you expect rain in Jackson? I would, Robert James Harwood Jr. I would expect some showers in the very late morning or the first half of the afternoon, and all dying off as we go into the evening hours, but still patches of showers. So we're kind of in that pattern where in a westerly flow, there's little disturbances that set off the showers. Thumb area, yeah, it's going to have a tough time really doing anything worthwhile in the thumb area. Maybe a few hundredths late this afternoon. We're going to pick it up into tomorrow then. This is through the night tonight, and overnight tonight, this is a model that I like. Still showers, nothing real heavy in this. And this is 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it starts to come to an end. Tomorrow should be a dry day. If Wednesday's Golf League, you've got a good one. I want to point this out because that's the next thing we want to look at, is the storm system coming toward Friday. Hey, thank you, Michael Adair. High temperatures today. And these are going down in southern lower because of the thicker clouds and the showers that are hanging together. So you're looking at low 70s in the southern third. Detroit, Ann Arbor, Jackson, Lansing, Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, probably 72 to 74 degrees. Flint, 74, 75-ish. Saginaw, maybe 78, but I think that's going to go down too. I think you're looking at mid-70s. And then as you go into northern, lower, Traverse City, mid to upper 70s, UP, mid-70s. All right, thank you, Mary Gingrich. Light rain in Michigan Center this morning already. Okay, and then I'll show you one last thing. Here's the upper airflow with a fairly large storm system right now out in the west. Here's Michigan, here's Florida, here's Texas, California. So this is northern Rockies, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming. Watch what's going to happen with that. And that's why I think that if you've missed the rain in the last couple of days, and plenty of places have missed it, I think you're looking at probably a decent rain coming on Friday into maybe Saturday morning. If I can get it to move for me, let's hope. There we go. Okay, so we're into Wednesday, and this storm system is moving down into the plains. See, let's go into Friday, and you can see the storm heading our way, and a storm system of this size in the summer is usually a pretty good rain producer. Not a heavy rain producer, but a solid, everybody gets it, useful type rain. And that would be Friday night, Saturday morning. And notice another one diving down in here. So it looks like the Pacific is starting to flare up a little bit, not to go into a wet, stormy pattern, but at least to go into a pattern that will give us some decent rain every 5 to 7 days. So there you have it on the forecast today. We're going to see clouds thickening up. We will have light showers spreading across the southern half of lower Michigan this afternoon, tonight, even tomorrow morning. Second half of tomorrow looks great. Thursday looks great. Friday looks great. And then by Friday night into Saturday morning, we may have a decent rainfall. Some of you saying, don't want any more rain? Well, at my house near Saginaw, 0.3 of an inch of rain all weekend. That's it. The watering is still going on at the Torre Grossa garden. So there's still plenty of places that could use a good 1/2 inch to inch easily of rainfall. That's probably coming into the area by the time we get to Friday night into Saturday. There you have it. You have yourselves a great Tuesday. Jim Biddle from Norville, you have yourself a great Tuesday also. And take care. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. This is